In this video, I'll detail how to change alarm time on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch, whether the latest Apple Watch Series 9, Apple Watch SE, Apple Watch Ultra, Apple Watch Series 8, Series 5, even Series 3, then this video is going to show you how you can change alarm time on your Apple Watch. So if I don't know this video, if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, for you to change alarm time on your Apple Watch, you need to have set up alarm on your Apple Watch, and then this will allow you to change the alarm time. Otherwise, you need to set up a new alarm. Now, to do this, all you just need to do is press the 2.1 to exit the watch face on your Apple Watch. Scroll up and locate the alarm icon and then click on it. Then once you click on it, you see the alarm you set up on your Apple Watch. Then, to change the alarm time, all you just need to do is tap the time. Then here you have access to the alarm configuration on your Apple Watch. Then tap change time. Then here, you can change the time. If you set the alarm to 8, then you can change it to, let's say, 7 or 6, or change it to 12 or 11. It doesn't count. So just change it to whatever you want to change the alarm time to, 5. Then minute, so you can just change the minute to, let's say, 5:30. Or you want to change the minute to 5:15. Then once you're done, go ahead and click on check. Then this is going to change the alarm time on your Apple Watch. Instead of having 8 p.m., it's going to turn it to 5:15 p.m. based on your configuration. So this is exactly how to change alarm time on Apple Watch. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.